Hi everyone, it's a rainy weather right now here in Aljami, UAE. So by the way guys, I was able to prepare myself. I brought an umbrella with me. So I'm so happy guys. I just want to share to you the weather forecast app on the phone. You can see the time when it's going to rain or whether it will be sunny or windy or rainy. So I'm so happy with this weather app in the phone in my Samsung mobile. Ayun guys, maulan na gabi. Ako lang naglalakad sa mga panahong to guys. Nasana ang mga tao. Ako na lang yata ang nasa daan. So ayun guys, yung payong ko guys, buti na lang may payong po ako. Someone gave me this umbrella because my umbrella was already damaged. And a good friend bought this umbrella for me, and I would like to say thank you. Anyway, waterproof yung phone natin guys, kaya okay lang na mabasa. Basta ma-view ko lang yung aking payong. Ayun guys, mahangin po na gabi. Umuulan pa rin guys. Kita nyo naman ang daan guys. Kawawa si ate, walang payong. Ayun yung mga naglalakad guys, hindi po sila handa. Kaya wala po silang payong. Guys, that's it for today. Good night and have a blessed day po sa lahat. Bye for now.